Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how I upgrade my remote control car from 500 mAh to 2000 mAh battery. Okay, as you can see, this one is the come from the box with the car, and I want to upgrade it to this bigger one that have the capacity 4 times bigger. So before you choose the battery, you need to check the original that come with the car first. You will find out the battery detail on it. This one, the battery rate is 3.7 voltage, 500 mAh. Okay, and I choose another battery with the 3.7 voltage, the same output. And now we will try to check for the car first, will it's workable to the battery or not. Okay, this is the original one. Turn it on. Okay, you can see now it's work. And then I try with the bigger one. Okay, it's also workable to the car, but the problem is the bigger capacity. There's no place to input to the small box like this. So I already tried to put it in. Okay, arrange the cable. Okay, so it will pop out from like this one. So when we place the cover back, we cannot connect the cover. So now I will try to input it on the back like this, and let's try together. First of all, I want to make a hole here, so it will be easy to connect the cable from here, and then I will put the battery here, and with this place glue it on the back of the car. Okay, first of all I need to cut this spring out, and I only need the cover. Okay. So now I have the battery cover that I can place it on the bed like this, and then when I want to take it out, just take it out. Okay. Now try to glue it. Okay, now it's time to make a hole here, and let's try. Okay. Okay, I think it's done. Okay, now we done everything, and then try to connect with the battery. Connect, and then put the power. Move it down and put it into. Okay, now we try to connect it once more time, as the surface of these areas difficult to connect with the glue, and now I try it again and then check it out. And then battery here. Okay. What we need to do, just try to use it. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how to upgrade the remote control car battery. All you need to check is the battery voltage from your original battery and the additional battery. So it must be the same output voltage. If the voltage is not the same, you can possible to make the motor inside your remote control car. Okay, so now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.